Hey, aloha and mahalo. At kapong, happy Sunday. Geri berisit, sar fifitigit. Sa te bawutit, förriro te video. Pur, meior, ekots betots, sa bawutit, fos verita. Number one, you would say wako, and maybe educate our citizens a little bit. Veriterots video, ye sapagura may post fitter online. Video rat President Simina Muitsingeri ewa President Red China. Our arts relationship may fur nefired FSM Geri China City Nor 1989. We get also the Guruksa Parera Mi Power Nefirats Geri Russia City 1999. Iwe Ekaratsa Kora Ferry Terewe Mode Arruin Fate to Ukraine. Iratra FSM Atra Wood FSM is the Geri at Russia in fate, we feared the tie with Russia. Prior to that, but relationship with Russia from 1999. So, President Siminaika reach out to Russia. China. I'm sorry, China. Video. But major that relationship has been there between our country, FSM, and China since 1989. Eduku, if I'm not mistaken, that's the second president, President John Regam from Yap State. I think he was the one who reached out and started that relationship. Ewer mayor ekots countries na ferufat ir reongeri China mori pogiter har parmukutungau no wis katare muri our country ira sakarro China is going to take over the port tika for the whole country pogiter ro China money Usemorox ika aneika sireika pur FSM ayari rasukurmuktukut. In fact, relationship ngeri China ngeri FSM leverage not our last negotiation defeated FSM America to a compact of association America was said they really value our relationship between our two countries, United States and FSM. And this is not our last renegotiation. China is, in the background, negotiation. China may panonom, America paregis neokus, epaoran noriret, iwera pokitet ra X sukneti per ra repopar ngeri kitsbur me korotsea ne firats ngeri America. Nge esabe abnormal and no to FSM president eporo China. In fact, ikiabe kator haru president nuero etto America iwe ewer miro White House may meet ngeri President Biden met elkaar ke char Pentagon Defense Department is a korisirat China we pueraro utsead at their government. Hier se puer you mean no more video se pa right tan China was se puer geri fat pur ika refer puer geri berka pur hier repato geri repato burukit. Iga atak no ngeri rotske leaders ikira ngeri nesorbo ponon ika resapfer atai atske relationship we butak for fino pusi butogri ya met meyats met minga sa putar niwe e tsar ke water fer si pono mo pur rapkan pur ve epididika hanisits I would take met office no last compact renegotiation niwe sa we rera ese orngawar are por arts relationship ngedi kira heavy krakotsa ro communist country no we're in a global environment ye America ku I find out not a fast zone right ki a tariff no tariff no tariff is it to a corporate kurer not economic wise but the economy is now all interdependent on each other. For example, car parts, airplane parts, they're all over the place. They come from all over. So it's a global market. FSM need to reach out. It has more friends than less friends, even if they're communist countries. You ngami par referring to me at embassy, office, FSM UN mission office, your UN mission.fsm, Awakator Atskera international relations. Many country or relationship. We have relationship with so many countries. Countries that you may think that, oh, we don't have no relationship with these countries. Even Russia, we've had relationship with Russia since 1999. The only reason why we severed our ties with them is because of the invasion of Ukraine. Friendship with Russia, invasion, office in Russia. We have a relationship with them. I said our team at leaders, they need to go and reach out to other countries. But this is a global market. This is a global family. Si pare gis mo assessori si pare fosu atse ut notsuk. Hako tomong sakopader poros ike namerika me porosanga accusations sinetiga atak par fer tam non neti bat sreratria fu no to candidates no skill candidates ika pegitu rese lidiga sariku sakopader ekiet ngatoro namukurat sariku bro ra sora rutskio taranga kraie ratayanik me year those are normal feelings ngi sibo pare ki pu sibo bo his mutngeri atskera office you have atskera candidates hier bo siraria yanga Rabanga nor kiram me ver pur sibo korsire ika pugurika ese pung sisapchak bla 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 ika era tots kapasenga feritere kots nge epo ifai ka aro fisiro resor me ponor nge me merbet ke ot siari live ika siari post Iwe sa yotek ngeri kot feriter eiwe site Murchak wesitak fosu kot ng sara pro irbi sorak kits burbe rage o por rawar mikan Nga sisekuragi ni mesachika. Arawi por poturuika. Yeah, you never know. Maybe pe orfuwen. Iwe sipoyakis. Moyakis kurati. Kerave. Ekiek. Pave. Ekera iwe. Ekiek iwe be. Arever kokot kirigits pusipave. Ngeive or rats court. May or notes give police. May or met tots weer ziet. May non pode peti. Kirringa. May or rats state court. May or rats national courts. Iwe. Keravet. Epotogri ahorra. Verfur. Me kiramwe ne tipre nesor moponnor. Nessa pariracha kuwen. Pui tau ruru ngarotskeo candidates. Rapo kurai ka sirei virus anom norasipuen. E case of copata life me post kapasinga me satuk parfur rata e kot. Iwe itai gangangi riwe upo fos putigor ngeri nei supporters. Pur ausa parari kara sakur life ika sakur kapasika posible chak masorosor utigeri wasirod tabulation ika count iwe safat mekera ye aro ika sisa kotipegeri tots sarogeri kapu you aro ro to final tots you sasiri wasosepur nesse sabjok norke fasor ne safer verrate chak met atsuter me atsuduku Puamruku met facts is up. There's probably a difference somewhere. Yeah, but what if I got I would ika arabosomika tefo reneso mo ponor how much is set nesor no ponor ika fenocio candidate si pucha kawe if I got Milo ika joenet ika narunika iokan narunika William, if I got raro nesro ponor ngrapa mo chef sefer. You hear ka pero tigaru narun pur epo tu I candidates. You narun raira. Agi chuk never oputet kurauki life okay post. You patete. Pure patai ne firom ngeri narun pure ke kapasing of feritariga. Joe netiga. Maeloike, ira upur si sorosot ekirati kisera temperature niye pur nesorman ponor me power rutut sefer esapchok ye pu kids we pat feri tire sorman ponor ye ko bonenron nesor ponor pur reteber terofen lagi nge age okra postike metekera ke apasa onori fasur iwe ayari atakir nesa mo ponor awachi chingero ke rayer bier ye me puete karier isitzek merka first day you puri kukuru sokur eifa ke se ani ni urbo sokur ira popur ria fogo engirogeri ria fogo achotogeri to riara kira mero tots Notes no is, so anuk ra for riar angang no is here. You is a fatet servet. You wait all tur. You can express yourself. Nikira you aidiku meet a premature. Afito serie Zorekis, may see they for so too. May papa iti a cave tots may fish not too. Use pegaria pek, use parfitiere pek, use bucerare pucak kiramme, nge patsekwe gis di ro fei ro, at fais bur site kanningen orenne sorboponru. Ika panningen offer with a coat. But a capasata ite coat, coat where sigits which a care of roy team rasore, a fake assessore, burbe or to refer. Ni rapar woe rapor. Fokuri biguragi, we saw Rasuki or Rasiwiri Mason Napor. Ni kera parwo rapor. Ni kera parwo woe 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 rap Ika ka pa nuru kot yu ka pa sa po kot tsak akura. You say that. And we see them kot we see them. Okay. I'll leave it at that. Yeah. Kirisu tapos. Hope everyone is good and we can all take a breath and wait for the final outcome. That's the reason why we have the courts in Chuuk and also courts at the FSM national government. So let's wait and see. But kisu tabur ngiri skill candidates but rawaro iter arba tupuri arabas si butsak nikitigeri puri repo wisiranga ga a force ave ekki methods the kids no supporters ira si butsak fokur iotek rosario pokote bearisiit e você se arisiit ngasi saparo ata kersakur ats nuku but nuku me facts me sokofis but the rofeiro se fergeri kebi kiriso tapu ready kirai happy Sunday stay aloha live aloha work aloha fishing aloha ika si voy a FSM si ur nonom camerale mitsi perra onut not camerale no atau not camerale. All right, okay, peace out.